Okay, so to find the cost of a jersey after it's marked down 10%, what you need to do is find the amount of discount first. So we're going to take our cost, which was $39 for the jersey, multiply it by 10% written as a decimal. And when you do that, you're going to get $3.90. And that's the amount of dollars that it is discounted by. So now to find the cost after the discount, you're going to take your $39 and you're going to subtract it with $3.90. So we got to line up the decimal. There is no decimal there, but we can just throw it after the 9. And now we're going to subtract it. So after the $3.90 is taken out, you have $35.10 left over to pay. All right, let's continue. Now what we need to do is we need to find the cost after the tax is added. So before we do that, we need to figure out how much the tax actually is going to be. To figure that out, you're going to take this is called a decimal percent. We need to turn it into a pure decimal. So take the percent, turn it into a decimal. How do we do that? Well, you have to move the decimal 2 spaces to the left, okay? So we're going to move it 1 space, 2 spaces. There's nothing there, so you're going to put the number 0. And as a pure decimal, it's 0.0575, okay? All right, now we're going to take that number and we're going to use it to find the amount of tax. So 0.0575, multiply that with our new price, which is $35.10. And when you do that, you're going to get 2.01825. And in money, we only go to the hundredths place because that represents the pennies. So actually, let's look at the place value in back of the hundredths place. We're going to look at that. And since it's an 8, that means that we are going to round up to $2.02. Okay, now to find the cost with tax, the last thing we're going to do is we're going to take the discount price of $35.10. We're going to add the tax that applied to that amount, and our total cost with discount after tax is going to be $37.12.